Okay, so I'm going to show you real quick one of the things we do with all the squash and zucchini we get out of the garden. We make I call it a squash pie. You take one small to medium sized zucchini, one small to medium squash. You grate that up right here. And then usually I use like one medium onion, but these are just a few of the small ones I got out of the garden. I usually grate those too, but I'm going to chop those today and see how it goes. 3 eggs, 1/3 of a cup of oil, I use vegetable oil, and then a cup of all-purpose bacon mix. You mix it all together, put it in your pie plate, and bake it on 350. I don't time it. I'm going to time it for you guys. I'm really bad at that, but let me get all this mixed up and I'll show you what it looks like before it goes in the oven. Okay, so this is what it looks like right before you stick it in the oven. I'm going to get it in here, get it cooked, and I'll bring you back and show you what it looks like. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys real quick. This is what it looks like when it's done. And I wanted to tell you guys too, these freeze really well. I'll vacuum seal them and throw them in the freezer, and we'll pop them out and have them in the winter time. But just hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. And if you like what you see here, feel free to like and subscribe, and don't forget to check us out on Facebook.